We now look at another slicer called range slicer. So look at this report, GDP and CO2 map. Okay, so here basically we have a range slicer which provides you a way to focus on a particular range of years in the data. Okay, so now we are focusing on year between 1990 and 2005. That's why this GDP and CO2, the bar chart shows those years. Okay. Well, we don't have like continuous individual years. We just have 1990, 1995. Okay. The year in between actually is not available. There's no such data. So we can see here in this bar chart, we have 1990 all the way to 2005. Okay. We can change this range, okay, by utilizing this range slicer. So you can see there's a segment of kind of highlighted segment on this straight line. This straight line is basically representing the entire sample period. So now we're only focusing a segment of it. So we can change the segment by clicking the mouse on the starting point and drag it to the left. So now you see the year expands. Say we can stop at, say, 1975. All right. So now we're looking at 1975 to 2005. Apparently, this bar chart also changed because our sample period, the focus of the sample period has changed. Okay. We can move the end point as well. We can move further to the right. Okay. We stop at 2010. Okay. Now you can see this bar charts also start to show you the data from 1975 all the way to 2010. Okay, you can change this year starting point and end point directly by entering the number. Say I want to see 1960 as a starting point and 1990 as the end point. So now, okay, by changing the numbers directly, okay, we have a graph showing GDP and CO2 from 1960 to 1990, of course, for South American countries. We can, if you want to just focus on one particular year, all right, for example, you want to focus on 1990, you can move the mouse, move the starting point all the way to the right and make it overlap with the end point. Now we are only looking at the year 1990. The entire bar just shows one particular year, 1990. Okay, and you can click your mouse to the left of that overlapped points, and the segment will expand. Or you can click on the right hand side of the segment. Well, again, the segment can expand. So there's ways to change the range.